June is a great time to prepare your home for the hot summer months. Here are 3 top maintenance items to prepare your home for summer. I am so glad you're watching. For those who don't know me, I'm Lori Click with RE/MAX Realty Specialist. I serve the Charlottesville, Virginia and Lake Monticello areas. Today's video contains 3 home maintenance items to prepare your home for summer. Number 1, air conditioning. Before the heat of the summer kicks in, it's important to make sure your air conditioning unit is functioning properly. Replace air filters and remove any debris from around the unit. Number 2, roof. Inspect your roof for any damage that may have occurred during the winter months. Look for missing or damaged shingles and make necessary repairs. Number 3, gutters and downspouts. Clogged gutters and downspouts can cause water damage to your home, so it's important to clean them out regularly. Remove any debris and flush them with water to ensure proper drainage. Have a wonderful summer and stay safe. For the complete list, comment below or email me at loriclick@remax.net. Hit the like button and share this video with your friends and family. It really helps the channel out. I don't want you to miss a video, so smash the subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Until next week, this is where home is always first, and your new home is only a click away.